Go.
You come here as well.
Right, who's going first?
Maggot, as I stand here with your gravy-stained face on mine, I can only think that it's a pity you're not here. The insanity is missing.
Maggot, thank you for fucking this barbecue up. Contrary to my brother's opinion.
Maggot, you chose another country over us. Traitor. Burn.
I can't see much. I wish I could zoom.
Hey,
Burn!
Hey, a green ledge. Maggot, this is what I think of you. I missed. Maggot.
Jarl!
Insane! You missed it.
Maggot, you offered me a beer once, but I'm still burning you.
Apparently not.
You try not to, actually.
I failed.
It's not that difficult, guys.
It's like
Even today is my friend.
burn, maggot, burn. Bye bye.